Landingi versus Builderall. If you're trying to pick the best landing page software, you're in the right place. But before you make a decision, there are a few things you really need to know, because while both tools claim to be great, there are some major differences that could make or break your results. Stick around, because by the end, I'll not only break down which one is better, but also show you an even better alternative if you're serious about maximizing your conversions. First off, ease of use. Landingi is designed for marketers who just want to build high-converting landing pages without a learning curve. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and you don't need to mess with coding. Builderall, on the other hand, throws everything at you: email marketing, chatbots, automation, even a website builder. That sounds great, but the interface can be overwhelming. If you just need landing pages, Builderall might feel bloated. Next, templates and design flexibility. Landingi has a strong library of templates built specifically for conversions. They're clean, optimized, and ready to go. Builderall offers a wider variety, but many feel outdated or require tweaking to look modern. If you're looking for fast, polished pages, Landingi takes the lead. Now, integrations. Landingi plays well with major marketing tools: Zapier, email autoresponders, CRMs, you name it. Builderall has its own ecosystem, which means you're stuck using their built-in tools unless you want a headache trying to integrate outside services. That's fine if you want an all-in-one, but not if you already have tools you love. The next thing is pricing. Landingi's pricing is straightforward. You pay for what you need. Builderall offers a ton of features for a lower price, but the catch? You might be paying for things you never use. If you're only after landing pages, Builderall's extra tools don't add much value. Customer support is another big one. Landingi has responsive support, plus live chat. Builderall's support can be hit or miss, and with so many features, troubleshooting can take longer. Here's the bottom line. Both tools work, but if your goal is building high-converting landing pages without the extra fluff, there's actually a better alternative. After testing all of them myself, I've found that the best software for creating landing pages efficiently, with the best ease of use and customization, is linked in the description. And through our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial and extra benefits only available to our viewers. So check it out and let me know in the comments which tool you're currently using.